Hello friends, this is Shruti Shammi. Today I'm going to share with you chicken egg roll or chicken egg Frankie. Frankies are very popular street food recipes that you can easily try at home. In this recipe, flatbread is grilled and stuffed with variety of filling and seasoned according to your taste. So I will show you a quick Frankie recipe that you can prepare at home. For the flatbread, I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of oil, mix it, pour enough water and knead to form a soft dough. Now the dough is ready. Coat with some oil and allow to rest for some time. Next, we will marinate the chicken. I have 500 grams of chicken breast, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of Tandoori Masala along with salt. Marinate and set aside for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, the chicken is getting marinated, we will get ready with our flatbread. I'm dividing the dough into 4 balls. On a clean surface, roll the balls using a rolling pin. Sprinkle a little flour on the surface before rolling. Once it's done, place it on a plate. Repeat the same with the remaining balls. Next, we'll chop the veggies. I'm using 1 onion, bell pepper, chop some cilantro or coriander leaves, one small tomato chopped, mix the cilantro, half of the onion and tomato along with lemon juice. Beat an egg with half teaspoon of pepper and salt and set aside. Next, we'll cook the flatbread or the paratha. Cook for 1 minute on both the sides, then add in the beaten egg. Spread it evenly on the surface. Flip and cook on both sides by adding oil. Once done, remove and set aside. In the same way, cook the remaining parathas. Next we'll cook the chicken. For that, to the same pan add 3 teaspoons of oil. Add the marinated chicken and cook for some time. Now the chicken is half cooked. At this stage, we will add in the bell pepper and onions. Cook for 3 minutes until the veggies are soft and remove from stove. Now we will stuff the parathas. With the help of a tongue, place the chicken and veg mix over the paratha. Next we'll place the lemon and veg mix. Top it with tomato ketchup and chili mayonnaise. Roll it tightly and wrap it with a foil or paper to seal it. So the chicken egg roll or chicken egg Frankie is ready. If you liked it, please do hit the like button and also share it within your group. I will be coming up with more interesting recipes, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.